Hello everyone, welcome to Easy French once again. Well, to learn French step by step, all you need is to just subscribe our channel. In this video, we are going to learn about numbers, that is from 0 to 20. 0, that is called 0, 0. 1, it is a. Number 2 is called the. 3, that is trois. 4, it is quatre. 5, it's cinq. Number 6, the same spelling with 6, but we call it seize. 7 is called sept. Number 8, that is with. 9 is called neuf. 10, that is these. Number 11 is owns. 12, that is douze. Number 13, that's treize. 14, in French it is quatorze. 15, it is quinze. Number 16 is seize. Number 17, well, it's easy because it is 10 and 7. These set. That's 17. Same with 18, it's 10 plus 8, that is these with. 19, again it's these neuf. And last here is 20, we call it vingt. Now we'll do it all together. 0, un, deux, trois, quatre, cinq, six, sept, huit, neuf, dix, onze, douze, treize, quatorze, quinze, seize, 17, 18, 19 and 20. Well, I hope you understand all numbers from 0 to 20. In the next video, we will come up with another numbers. I hope you enjoyed this video, and to learn French step by step, just subscribe our channel. If you like the video, please click the like button and also click the bell button so that you can have the notification of next videos. Till then, thank you so much. Take best care of your health and happy learning French.